There's lots of baby monkeys. Oh, this one looks smart. Look at the little kids playing. Look at those guys playing right there. Oh, and here comes the one running. They're wrestling on that. He just knocked the other baby down.
Did he?
Down into the river.
No way.
Oh, and now it came back up.
Oh, look. There he is. Aww.
Oh, he's a fighter, that dude. He keeps just picking fights.
Watch, this one's going to go over and mess it all up.
Look, they just go. You see, that one's a fighting baby monkey.
What the hell?
Boy, he's a trouble one.
The little one?
Yeah.
It's a troublemaker, huh?
Oh,
Look at their tails.
he's a good climber.
Oh, really?
Look at how good they climb. Oh, that's handy to be able to climb so well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's come right to us. What? What are you doing?
Here, little guy.
Whoa! A monkey got in our... Oh, he can come with us.
No.
Oh! Oh no, he got mad. Oh, look.
Oh.
What's he doing? Why doesn't he let go?
He wants to stay. He needs a ride.
Go, monkey, go. Yeah, all right.